people have a culture and people have old things also. So they don't want to make their career. Firstly, they want to fulfill relations and cultures and all things. But due to this, in global peace index, you are searching in India good person. Vikram ma'am, you are searching good person in India. So listen me. In global peace index, India has 141 rank. Global peace. India has 141 rank. So we are making only relations. We are fulfilling only cultural activities. But we don't want to focus. We don't want to focus on career. That's why India is behind from other countries. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am. And
Shubham, you
in
made a good
India,
point. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, ma'am, you made a good point. Yeah, Zika ma'am, as you listened, that Shubham ma'am was mentioning that Indian people, they don't think about future and career. They are only playing with emotions and relationship, loving, but they are not thinking about future. That what will happen next. Okay, so can you explain something that a good, which type of good relationship and what is the good relationship? Can you explain, Zika ma'am? Because
Yes,
according
sir.
to Sabha, ma'am, I know Indian people are only thinking about emotions. They are not caring their future. They are not caring their career. What will happen, in children in the future. Okay.
Yes, sir. Ma'am, sir, this time in present world, some people are so poor. I can't explain how much poor. All they have just money, only money, not relationship. I can't explain how much he is poor because he make only money. Because money is
Okay.
not
So according to
important.
you,
Money is not important. Many things in money can't buy. For example, money can buy bed, but you can't buy sleep.
hello, am I audible? But we can
yeah,
buy
ma'am, yeah.
relationship also with money. We can buy relationship by money in current era.
Ma'am, firstly,
What would you like to say about this?
your relationship make
Okay.
money.
So moving on. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
firstly
Jay, ma'am,
you
I'm
make
coming to you. Okay.
relationship for money. It is not true. Only true good people are not interested in our money and our status. Only they do want from us our loyalty and help. Because suppose that someone you who accept only money and not he is not help you and not love you. It is not important. Only money not important. Relationship are also very important. I can't explain how much important.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
But
So moving on,
according to
next
to
is Shan.
2021 survey,
Yeah, ma'am, I'm
Sir,
hello,
coming.
please come
I'm
again.
coming to you.
Your
Okay.
voice not
Yeah.
clear.
Next. Yeah. Now, yeah.
no,
Next is Sayed Shan. What would you like to say about this matter? Sayed Shan, are you there? Yeah. Sayed
Yes,
Shan.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
So what would you
yes,
like to
it's
say?
on speak, sir.
Which is better according to, yeah, which is better? Which is most important according to you, money or relationship? Most important
But
according to
sir,
you, because already you had that Sabha ma'am was speaking in favor of
money.
money, and Dikra ma'am was speaking in favor of relationship. Yes, money.
Yes, sir.
Definitely.
Actually, sir, this time I like money. This is a very important. If you have money, then many relative and format. If you are poor, then many people leave you in trouble. So money is important, and money can buy all materials and things that you ever wanted. Will relationship cannot get them. So money is a very important.
Yes, Sabam, I'm asking one question to you because you spoke that in current era, okay, in today's world, we can buy emotion with money. So how it's possible? Can you explain something?
We can buy, suppose if we have money, so everyone wants to do with me, everyone wants to handle your problem, everyone wants to solve your problem, and suddenly if you have no money, then everyone can go from your life. So due to money, they are living with you due to money. So we can
Yeah.
say we can buy relations by money.
Okay, so yes, Shan, as you are listening, that Sabam was mentioning that money is everything. Okay, if you have money, so you can buy relationship. If you have money, so you can buy someone emotions. So, what would you like to say about that?
Sir, actually, I like only money. Relationship, mm, you any trouble you come and all
All boys and girl
relative live
only
your life.
money side. Why? Please.
No. I am not pleased, but,
You
but actually,
All
my
boys
subject
only.
only
All
money.
boys only. Money. What is money? Money is nothing.
Money is very important.
Only force
You
me
have money,
money.
yeah. You
So
have
yes,
money.
I think,
All,
I think Sayyid Shan is understanding the importance of money. He has to leave his country for earning the money. So he
Yes,
can
yes, sir. Yes,
understand.
sir.
and Ayub asked me, but some of them not this time make money.
So Sayyid Shan has
She
to
should,
support. It is
she
compulsory
should
for him.
side me. She should. Some of them,
okay.
you should side me
But sir, I
We
think
are, we are
because here I
Okay.
am alone, only relationship.
Yeah, you have money.
Okay.
All relation
Ayub
yourself.
asked me in the favor of you.
but one thing as the previous and
Don't worry,
necessary
Vikram, man.
are two different things, sir. Two different things
Yes,
from
sir,
one
I
another.
can do.
One another that can never be
Yes.
compared. Some is relationship and or money that can
Okay.
be compared. Both have a different value. Our life. This is not compared.
Okay.
Relationship and money. Relationship the precious thing every life and money is necessary only for the survival of the life. Relationship the reason to
Okay.
life and money is needed to life. You are multiple things according to needs.
Yeah.
Some people is the money important. Some people is the relationship is important. But money is the more important the human relationship. But uh, are both important. Money and relationship. But we have first money and after that we come to relationship. I think this is my opinion.
Sayyid Shan, as
And
you are
After all,
mentioning
you
that,
three.
yeah,
Yes.
Sayyid Shahan, as you are mentioning that money is everything. First money,
sir.
then we can imagine other things. So
Yes.
what would you like to answer about Bill Gates? Bill Gates has a lot of money. There is no limit of money.
Yes, sir. Yes,
But
sir.
he divorced his wife and
Yes.
Muhammad Azharuddin in India.
Yes,
He
sir.
also divorced
Yeah.
recently Ritik Roshan. I think also he divorced also.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So a lot of people they
Yeah,
are
don't
having
worry,
a lot
Zikram,
of
because
money.
now director Sahib is
But sir,
speaking in front of you.
but
Yeah.
sir,
Zikram,
So
don't
money
worry,
is a
now
very
director Sahib
important
is
of
speaking
life.
in favor of you. Don't worry.
Yes, sir, I humbly thank you for support me because
Oh,
here
oh.
and far and near support me and some of them also.
Actually, I am not going to support only. I am going to give you a hint that
Yes,
if
sir, I
someone
know.
is getting stuck, then I will push and I will help something.
Yeah.
So I and
Yes, sir.
Mahmood sir are here to help you only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, continue.
I want to say if there is a guest who divorced her wife, so he have money, he divorced her wife. On the other hand, if one is a poor man and he divorced his wife, am I audible?
Yeah. I'm listening.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're audible.
And he divorced her wife. Then there is two matters, because Bill Gates can sleep because with money, because he have money. But if poor man divorced her wife, then he thinks and she thinks that due to poor, if he is poor, then all relations wants to leave him all relations. But in Bill Gates, there is all relations. They have all relations. If he divorced her wife, but there has all relations due to only money. But if one poor man divorced her wife, then there is no any relations with him in their trouble.
Yeah. So who would like to reply here? Who would like to answer her? Ayub asked me answer.
Yeah. Rich is a lack of
please.
time and excess of money, and poor lack of time, poor a lack of time and excess of time. So maybe two different. And poor man is most important money, and after that important relationship. But first poor man is the important money. That's
So
all.
I want to say, suppose you want to get married with someone, girl or boy, doesn't matter. If you want to, and your family against with them. So first, if you will earn money, if you will earn a lot of money, then your family also will agree to you. They give you permission, okay, you can marry. So first we should make our career. After that, all relations can be all relations can be mine, because for getting married with everyone, with those who wants to who you want to get married, like a love marriage. If you want to get love marriage and your family against with him, but if but that time, if you will earn money, and if you are you have become something, you have job, you have money, then your family allow you to get married with him or her. So first, for making relationship, you should focus on career. After that, all relations is yours.
Okay, Sabha ma'am, I'm going to cut your point. Okay, let me stick to tail end. As you were mentioning that money is everything, because you have money, so you can purchase the relationship. If you have money, so you can purchase everything, anything. Okay, but my question is that money is just for need. Okay, money is just need for surviving our life. Doesn't matter how much money you have. Okay, doesn't matter how many buildings you have, how many cars you have. But if you don't have a relative who can understand you, who can realize your problem, who can solve your problem, that is the biggest matter. Okay, because there are many people, there are a lot of people, they have cars, they have buildings, they have many 2-3 factories, and there are thousands of people, they all are working under him, but they don't have a relative, they don't they are not in a relationship who can understand their problem, who can solve their problem, who can heal them. So they all are feeling alone inside. Okay, they all are feeling alone inside. They are showing in a celebrity, they are showing in a people that I'm happy outside, but they all are unhappy inside, and they are all missing someone because they don't have anyone who can understand his problem, who can feel their problem. So money is not everything, according to me. Yeah, money is important, money is need, but not everything. A good relationship, a sensitive life partner who can understand you, that is important. That is most important. Money is not important because you have money, but you don't have a sensitive life partner. So who will understand you and who will solve your problem and who will realize your feeling? That is matter. So, ma'am,
I want to reply. If you have no money, then how you can say you have power to choose your love? How you can say you have power to get married those you love, those person who wants to love you, because firstly if you have money, then you can choose your love, then you can live with your love for solving problem, for handling situation, for all things. But if you have money, then you can get married with her. Firstly, if you have money, then you can get married with her. If you have no money, then no one allows you to choose them. So what will you do?
yeah, ma'am. Listen one thing. Money is nothing
How
for
you
true
will
lovers.
find
Listen,
true
listen,
lover?
I'm coming on the point. Yeah, money is nothing for true lovers. Okay, because many lovers, they are loving in true, and the true relationship. Money is nothing. Okay, they are just for caring. And what is the meaning of relationship? Okay, firstly, we all should have to understand this word. What is the meaning of relationship?